Oh, center armrest for the car. It also fills the gap between the chair and the center console, so nothing falls there. And it has a compartment. Oh, it's better than what I thought. The quality, it's amazing. Soft leather, smells fresh like a new car. This goes between the chair and the center console. Inside of it is also covered, so it doesn't make that clunky noise if you put anything. These things I think goes on the side of it, where that panel was. Beautiful. I have to look in the picture of the item to see where exactly these two goes. And this must be kind of like a, don't know, display or something. It must be visible somewhere. Oh my god, how premium and beautiful it looks. Can put your stuff in it. And there's a little cubby down there also. Beautiful. That is elegant. Oh, look at that. Can I see where you keep your little coins, madam? Oh, yes. And where you keep your telephone? Here. And there is a little hole here that actually you can put the, where do you put the
wire to charge.
Yeah, wire for charging. Somewhere in this side or that side. Maybe back of it also has a thing. And beside that there is a little cubby here.
Oh,
Right
yes,
there.
yes. That's that way that's.
You can put your coins there
No, I can indeed, yes.
when you're passing the toll charge.
Oh, yes, yes. Yes, no.
Near London Dartford.
Yes, you could. There's one round here, isn't there?
Yeah.